The SNP extension identifies a Microsoft Access Report Snapshot file containing a static rendered view of an Access database report. I'm Evan Brooks, Certified Support Engineer, and I'll help you open or convert these legacy report snapshot files. Before we wrap up, I want to emphasize our final step. We will showcase how a single robust SNP file inspection utility offers maximum efficiency by solving hundreds of file type issues. SNP files are Microsoft Access Report Snapshot files that preserve a static rendered view of an Access database report without requiring Access or the underlying database. They were used to distribute reports to users who did not have Access installed on their systems. Access SNP files are rendered report pages stored in Microsoft's proprietary Snapshot Viewer format. They contain page images and embedded text with the exact visual layout of the Access report at the time of export, including formatting images and page breaks. The recommended application from Microsoft Corporation for handling SNP is unequivocally Microsoft Access. Native Windows association often leads to errors due to the file's complexity and proprietary format. Windows provides simple viewing, but full manipulation depends on a document-specific application. We're performing an initial application check. Right-click your SNP file and choose Open With. Test Microsoft Access first. If it's not there, select another program. This simple process often yields a quick fix. If your SNP file isn't cooperating, don't worry. We need to act fast after that failed attempt. Let's transition immediately into these 3 crucial steps for error isolation. First, opening SNP files. Install the Microsoft Access Snapshot Viewer, available as a free download from Microsoft's support website. Open the SNP file through the Viewer application to display the report pages. The Viewer provides basic navigation and print functionality. Next, converting SNP to PDF. Open the SNP file in the Access Snapshot Viewer and use File, then Print to print to a PDF printer driver, such as Microsoft Print to PDF or Adobe PDF. This converts the snapshot to a universally accessible PDF format for long-term preservation. Finally, alternative viewing methods. If the Snapshot Viewer is unavailable, contact the report creator to re-export the Access report as PDF from the original database. As a workaround, older versions of Microsoft Access can natively open SNP files through the File, then Open menu. If compatibility checks failed, it is likely because the file extension name is shared by different developers for unrelated formats, causing your PC to use the wrong reading language. This professional-grade approach allows the software to analyze the file autonomously, which can offer a significantly higher chance of success for stubborn or non-standard formats. Finally, the problem might be deep-seated. Your most efficient path to success now is using a high-powered universal viewer like FileMagick. This software is available at filemagick.com. Don't forget to like this video and tap the subscribe button for instant access to future solutions.